Lot 12, Oak Knob Ninja Beetle. Born 12/1/2012. Beetle is a Langhaven Ninja daughter. Beetle's dam, Oak Knob Bryant Bedbug, in her first lactation in 52 days has produced 2,302 pounds of milk, 3.7% fat, 85 pounds of fat, 3.4% protein with 79 pounds of protein. The Grand Dam, Oak Knob Flanders BB, is classified very good 80. She has 3 lactations with a 5.9% and 6.3% fat tests with over a 3.9% protein test in all 3 lactations. The third dam is Oak Knob Master Boo Boo. It's classified very good 83. Her lifetime totals are 145,243 pounds of milk, 7,245 pounds of fat, and 5,338 pounds of protein. Lot 12, Oak Knob Ninja Beetle.